Whole lot of bands on the bitches.
In the car right now with 2 tires and 4 fucking rims. 4 rims in this car, man. How did I do it? I don't know, but I made it happen, man. I made it happen. We are going to the tire shop and we are about to install our rims. I'm very happy. I currently got a crack in one of the rims, which is the rim in the trunk. So I actually got 3 tires in this car and 5 rims. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, the time has come. You know, I wanted these new shoes for a while, so I am excited. Cold start. Oh yeah. Crazy, bruh. All right, I will come back when we're on the way to the tire shop. Boom. I got you.
Interrupt this broadcast to bring you some breaking news.
All right, so look, as you can see, we currently got these AMG rims right now. Swapping all 4 of these. These were some nice rims. Like, I liked them, you know, no hate at all. But, you know, the time has come, right? And I'm on a donut. Why am I on a donut? Because this rim on the, you know, original rim is cracked. It's actually horrible. And I was filling up air basically every day. So I was like, okay. While I was waiting on the rims to come. So, I mean, obviously, they're here. They're in the back seat, man. Got the whole car filled up, looking like a goddamn U-Haul. But it's all good, no worries. And it's dirty, damn. But you'll be seeing new rims on this baby real soon. New shoes. An unlucky week, man. You see this? Can you see this? Yeah. Windshield cracked. Amazing, bro. Amazing. What is this? A $2,000 windshield? Nice. Yeah, that shit was unfortunate, bro. That's a story for another day. But the way I cracked it, oh my god, absolutely stupid. Just stupid, man. And if you want to know, you want a little secret, it has something to do with this. Yeah, we dropping the car off right now. I already got all the rims off. I'm just getting all my stuff that I need, because they'll need the car for like 3 to 4 hours. They have to grind out my spacers, unfortunately, because I have spacers for the front, 25 millimeters, and they are too big, actually. It's like the size that I need is in between 20 and 25 millimeters, but you know, obviously you can't buy a 23 millimeter spacer. At least I didn't see it. So, but here, I'll give you a little sneak peek of the rims, okay? Oh my god. Oh, this is the move, man. I was gonna do black. I actually bought black rims beforehand and realized how ass they were, because it just wasn't the move, man. It had yellow beads or whatever this is. This like a lock right here. This bolt, they were yellow, kind of gold, and then this was all black. Hey, so I thought this was gonna be easy, right? Quick and easy, no problem. No, unfortunately, there's always something. Since I got 9.5 on both sides, right? Have to run big ass tires. Already said that, but the actual is just so large that we're trying to grind it down. But you know, you can only do so much in so much time. But this is my rear hub assembly. Got the brakes. Need to change these brake pads. Need to change these. It doesn't seem that hard. I should try myself, to be honest. But taking off the back tires are it's honestly difficult. Like, the back tires has a special, like, arrangement, and I just don't have this piece. I was trying to get it off, and it just would not work, man. So I've kind of just let that be and do its thing, you know. But I have become dedicated to putting these rims on today. So it is what it is. I'm gonna be here. And yeah, we'll see how long it takes, you know. It's my Saturday. So, hey, bro, it is what it is. But damn, you gotta admit, these chrome tips are fire. Like, I know y'all were telling me to do this shit, and I was like, no, I got the carbon. But y'all did me a favor. I'll admit, y'all hooked me up, man. And I mean, y'all as in, like, just the advice. Because, yeah, putting the AMG tips was the move. Way better. CLS on top. W218, baby.
Bitch, yeah. I don't read how the fuck I keep getting booked. Car white, but it say black when you getting cooked.
A few moments later.
Whole lot of bands